Hello, gang. Welcome back to Last Train Home once again. Let's go ahead and get moving. Oh, life has been crazy. It's nice to get in and be able to play a bit. Go. Go. Let's see now. I'm not needing anything they've got. Except for maybe money. I've got 34 med kits. Probably wants to drop some so we can get the cash, but it's like, no. Couple 100 rounds. Yeah. Good pricing. Don't need anything they've got, so just leave it there. Reroute. Should hold up a sec. I did not take the time to look. That's being done. Good. Yeah. Nothing here, Major. Just ruins and old bones. If there ever was anything of value, it's long gone. Get on back to the train. Yep. Go ahead and loot and salvage. What do we got? Report, Major. We went through the place. It was as empty as it looked from afar, but the owners left behind some things we could use. Old clothes, curtains, some bandages. Burglar trait helped out. We found a secret stash of some coins and jewelry. Burglar trait helped out again? That's right, people do hide cigars. Housekeeping trait helped out. Found a medicine cabinet. Whoa. Nice. 92. 551. A smoke. A stem. First aid and vodka. Shoot. Get on back to the train. Slow down, let them on. Those numbers came up fast. Probably being threatened by both sides now. Let's see. Go ahead. Hey, we took down some few good trees. Some will cut themselves with the axe. Really, dude? Alright, get back here. See that inching up. Come on, let's go. Damn. Headphones are replacing the sounds cutting out. Negative -5 degrees. Woof. Yeah, I've got no sound. Dang it. I make it through just fine. I'm going to have to replace them. It's ridiculous. It's cutting out constantly. Yeah, it'll last a few seconds and cut back out again. I'm going to try plugging them in, see if maybe it's the battery going bad or something. Nothing. Fragments. I really just want to take these off and, like, smash them. It's really, really frustrating. Okay, it looks like I'm playing at a tilt, because tilting my head like this, sound keeps going. My neck's going to get stiff. Let's go. Alright. Oh, I'm going to have to choose north or south. We're going to go south. It's getting freaking freezing. There's no turning back. This activity will move you to the next region. You won't be able to go back. Are you sure you want to? Yes. Meeting in Karamskoye. You disembark at the village of Karamskoye. There's a ramshackle wooden platform, but not much else. Should not be difficult to find your contact. Your advisor and a handful of soldiers accompany you to explore the area. The dirt streets are quiet. Only a few stray dogs flit between the houses. The locals you encounter hurry past. They seem afraid, but there are no red or white soldiers present. You wonder if they know who you are. Short walk from the station, you reach a large, single-story brick house. Looks very different from the surrounding isbas. Your advisor halts you in your tracks. Major, I believe this is the place. You should be inside. Give a gesture and approach together. You knock and realize the door has been left ajar. It drifts open, ominously. You step back and order your soldiers to search the house. Langer echoes your command and whips his service revolver from his holster, cocking the hammer. You enter the house and have two soldiers guard the entrance. The house is cold and poorly furnished. Langer. Burglar isn't here. No signs of a struggle. Perhaps he escaped? Perhaps he will return. It's possible, then why leave the house unlocked? We need to search for answers. Minutes pass. The investigation does not take long. You're about to give up when you hear a soldier cry out in surprise. They found something hidden in the stove. Major, we've found some documents. Burglar's definitely been here. Look. Your advisor hands you a ream of papers. You both go through the documents. The handwriting is florid and refined. The content elegant. There are even passages in Russian. Every word is worth its weight. You begin to understand Pergler's diplomatic prowess. Suddenly there is an apparent shock on his face. He reads a small piece of paper. These scribblings can't tell us where Pergler is, but they tell us where we need to be in 5 days, today included. Unless we get stranded in this country. You and Captain Langer share a look of disbelief. This is a telegram from our government addressed Pergler, informing him about the ship in Vladivostok leaving in 5 days' time, with or without us. We haven't received this information. This is madness. There has to be a reason for that. Wishful thinking, Major. This puts us in a dire situation. Facing a difficult decision, and the time pressure makes it all the more difficult. Railroad track goes 2 different ways from here, and both lead to Vladivostok. If we take the route south, we'll need to go through Red Army lines. If we take it, We'll arrive at Vladivostok sooner. On the other hand, when we go north, we're traveling through territory held by the Whites. But here's the rub, Major. That journey isn't only longer. It's through harsh terrain. If weather worsens, we find ourselves in a very unpleasant situation. We go south. Which route should we take? To hell with the Reds. We'll cut them down. Then it's settled. Your advisor swallows hard. He moves closer and speaks softly. Difficult decision, Major. Thank you. He can't take a combat role. There's nothing left for him as engineer. Well, he's got them all now. Work efficiency. Sounds good for his case. Alright. I've got massive amounts of coal and 5 days to go. Let's move it out. Boy, it's counting down. One power. Y'all, go. One. Try and create a new squad. John's doing nothing. He's not doing anything. He's got the focused nature. Put him in there. Nothing going on. Clumsy and careless. She got hurt in every outing. Go. Hit it. Forgot. Dr. Roll, he leveled up at level 4. Good stuff. Now. Looking good overall. Did not do a lot of these. Let's go ahead. that. Let's go ahead and do repairs. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. Energy. Ugh. I took down a few good trees. Bob's cut himself with the axe. That seems to be pretty common. I hit the thing. Please get back here. What's Pavel's problem? He's ill. Get him in here. Good, that one's good. Wait a minute, it's only got... Increase repair speed.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, just get it done. Major went through the place. It was as empty as it looked from afar, but the owners left a few things we could use. Found some coal. That'll make everybody happy. A wild boar suddenly rushed out of the building. Not before he got mauled. Ugh. Alright, get back here. Pause it. Dang it. Ah, Jan made second lieutenant. Good stuff. What's he doing? Upgrading the car. Bob's med level 3 rifleman. Good stuff. Got it frozen. Alright. Hospital car. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Oh. And I've got it on. All the heaters are on. Let's keep moving. Time is short. And it's jumping around all over the place on me. Let's go, let's go. That's going up a lot faster than it used to. Merchant. Ooh, how am I doing in powder? I'm good on powder. Don't need their ammo. I'm making my own. I've got plenty of coal. You know, I'm good. Think I'm good. Ah, fabulous. Thinking we're good for now. You know, I'm gonna skip it. Just move on out. Once I get up here... Now I can skip a lot of stuff. I take 12 energy. He's shaking. Let's drop him and find somebody else who's not doing anything. Jam. Jan, jump on in. Go, it's the Grenadier. Go. All right. I'm going to take 1 energy to get there. Alright, go. Dang it. Took down a few good trees. Tree must have been rotten inside because it cracked and split in half. Split halfway through the cut. Launch splinters everywhere. I caught a fair share of those myself. It's like everything I go for. You know what? No. Recall. Just get back here. Frel. Stop the train. Two hours to clear the blockage. Yeah, go ahead, send them out there after all. Sorry, Major. It was terrible. So many bodies. Women, children, murdered, violated. Whoever's behind this, Reds, Whites, or some bandits, they're not humans. Get back here. Alright. Where's that squad? There they are. See, that will go away once they get 50% morale. Plus 20 morale. Full morale. I have so much vodka. 5% chance for use the soldier gets exhausted. I see no negatives. I see no negatives. Wait a minute. This is my hard work squad. All three of them have the focused nature. Dang it. Yeah, see how fast that's coming up? Port ready. Structures be removed. We can move again. But there was an accident. Ludwig got hurt. Ugh. Get in here. Get in here. Pavel, if you're... Okay, you are in here. Okay, good. Let's say if you're sick, why aren't you already in here? Who ranked up? Oh! Outstanding. She's good as is. Let's keep moving. skipping that. Yeah, I'm just moving out. Let's see. I want to go for that. Where's my trade team? Right there. Deploy. No. I've got plenty of food. Everything's going well. Skip it. But let's go look at the train. Ten wood, 10 metal. I'm good with that. Oh. Let's go. It's jumping. Nothing but ruins and old bones. Well, get back here. I didn't see the pop-up that was complete, but so be it. Alright, we're going up. Why do I have 4 shaken soldiers? Let's go, let's go. Not this one. Yeah, it's my trade one, okay. Deploy them. For that, deploy them. Let's go. Borgia. Ah. Wow, a lot of smoke. It's good for morale. I'm doing good, though. I think I'm gonna be good. Handgun ammo. Please go ahead and start some. Go ahead. Make me another mine. We're making good on the distance, I think. That is a ways out there. Go. Yep, do it. Who got into an accident this time? Lost the axe. We had to spend time looking for it. We couldn't get as much done as we hoped. Well, at least it wasn't another... accident with injuries. Fishing. Alright, let's see about the cars. Anything. Go rest. Train's doing fine. I've been... Takes a lot of metal to get those final upgrades. That's okay. I'll do it just for the, completionist in me, but... Let's go. Go ahead, do the thing. There we go, now it's finished. There, that's better too. Alright. What? Oh, we had to cut through the ice. But nothing came out no matter how long we waited or what kind of bait we used. The ice cracked and Camille disappeared underneath it. We managed to react in time. We got her out safe and sound, but it was scary. We're all wet and miserable. Come on. Get back here, all of you. Oh wait, is that done? Yes. It was empty. It looked from afar, but the owners left behind some things we could use. There's some bedding, old clothes, bandages, stash of coins and jewelry. I'll take it. Get your tails back here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Wait, what? Yes. Let's move up a little. Alright. Let's keep going. Ah! What is with the lag? 2 hours time. No, not them. These guys. Oh! Oh, congrats. Alright. Send them. Look at it, streaking up. Before we found it, took down a few good trees. Good. Going to start making our way back as soon as this is done. That's 2 hours. Look at it. It is. We are being pursued. She's fine. Ah! he's a pacifist. Is there even another job he can... No, there's not even another job he can get. He's currently the cook. Let's move him to the hospital. Move somebody to the hospital to cooking. Let's take a look at the train. I can't remember who. Vaclav. Okay. Just put him down there. Yep, move him there. Now, I need somebody to continue food prep. He's almost level 5. Let's finish that up. Alright, come on. Situation was affected by his vengefulness major. The obstruction was booby-trapped. But because of Yosef's insistence on the whole thing being a plot by the Reds, we checked it first, found a grenade rigged to explode. Track is clear now. Let's go pick up our guys. Boy, this has been something. Hold up. Worker level 4. Good stuff. Worker level 3. Well done, Roman. Grenadier level 2. Excellent, Antonin. And he made cook level 5. Nice. Oh, he's one of my pacifists. Okay. Let's go. Merchant. Ammo, powder, lots of money. Nothing I'm really needing. I could dump some stuff, get some money, but ooh, your prices are horrible. Yeah, never mind. We're done here. Thank you for your time. We'll be moving along. I'm gonna skip these. My food is good. Let's go. I'll hit these. Because they're right on the rail. Should hold up. Go ahead and send my hunter-gatherers. They're sick. Frel. Go. Bather, second lieutenant. Engineer level 5. He's got 2. What's he doing? He's driving the train. could go cook. Or doctor. Let's go cook. Now here's the thing I want to know. Ludwig. I want Ludwig driving the train. Ludwig. Where's he at? There he is. Excellent. Now back here during the day. Where's Peter? There we go. Go. Yep, they're cold. It's cold out. Ivan. Level 5 worker. What else has he got? Go doctor. You go cook. Engineer. Ivan's currently stoking. Hold up. Ivan's currently stoking. Ludwig, you take over stoking. Ivan, take over driving. Where is he? There we go. Alright, let's do a quick check through the cars. It's finished in every way. I guess I'll go a little bit more. Don't want to waste resources, so we will sit. Let them do their thing. Alright, let's see what they found. What the hell? We went through the place and found quite a few things this time. Anyway, the report's interrupted by the soldier's sudden burst of violent cough. Only takes a moment. It's a terrible scene to behold. The convulsions, desperate gasping for air, nails scratching the floor. When the shaking soldier finally raises their head, you see bloody spittle on their hands and terror in their eyes. You both know what it means. Andrzej, seriously ill-gained. Tuberculosis, incurable, deadly, infectious. All soldiers are screened when joining, and the standard procedure when symptoms are discovered is immediate discharge from the army. Please, Major. I can still help. I can fight. Anything, please. I want to go home. Don't leave me here. Don't leave me in this forsaken hellhole. I want to see my family. You can feel the despair in the plea. It's understandable. A terrible fate. To be abandoned in a hostile foreign country only to slowly and painfully die. But if he stays, everyone on the train could be infected and die in a few years. We'll have to hide it. Sorry, it sounded like one of the cats screaming or something. We'll have to hide it. They wouldn't leave him on the ship. Try and rationalize the situation. You need every capable hand. What the fuck was that? You need every capable hand you can. However, tightness in your chest hints at the truth. This was not the right decision. You call on the doctor and discuss preventative measures. Andre's detailed instructions. He receives detailed instructions. The whole thing will, of course, be kept entirely confidential. During the whole thing, you completely forgot about the report. But he later sent you a note listing everything they had found. It was really quite a few things. One sec. Alright, gang. I probably should have left him behind. Let's be honest. I just can't see the... leaving a soldier behind. Get in here. Andres. -2 health per hour, -2 morale per hour, -$1 tributes. And by the way, I peeked at what that pop-up was. Only 10% of players have kept the tuberculosis soldier on board. Everybody else puts them off. Y'all are some cold... living some cold-hearted folks. I understand it. A tough decision to make. Let's move it on out. Oh, with that though, I think I'm going to leave it here for now, gang. Just leave me any thoughts, comments, observations, suggestions down below. Hit like or dislike, subscribe if you haven't already. Share with some friends, just if they like history stuff. More important than anything, if there's something or someone important to you that matters in your life, then whether you choose to get up and out face to face, stay behind the safety of a keyboard, or pick up the phone, call an old friend or family member, let them know they matter, that you are thinking about them, that you care. However you choose to do it, get involved and make a difference. But take care. Stay safe. I am the Articulate Grunt. I hope to have you back next time, but for now, I'm out from here. Bye.